Welcome. This short tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix Valorant if it says we couldn't find or we couldn't install the required dependency. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up your search bar and type in CMD. Okay, go to the right panel and click on Run as Administrator. Hit on Yes, as there will be a pop-up. Now in here, just type in SC delete VGC and hit on Enter. Once done, type in SC delete VGK. All right, hit on Enter. And once done, type in Exit, hit Enter to close the command prompt. Once done, go to your taskbar and make sure that Riot right here is not running. Click on Exit. Now go to your File Explorer, open up Local Disk C, Program Files, then find Vanguard or the Riot Vanguard right here. Click on it and just hit on Delete on your keyboard and hit on Continue. Now, if you can't delete this folder right here, don't worry, you can just hit on Cancel, close it. Now go to your search bar and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. Now go to Find Vanguard. Okay, and here just click on the three dots and hit on Uninstall. Uninstall. Yes. Yes. Okay, wait for the process to finish. And once done, close this one, open up Riot Client, and instead of giving you the play button, it will ask you to update the game right here, including League of Legends or other games, okay? Just hit on Update, it will just reinstall the Riot Vanguard, and after that, it will require you to restart your computer. Just go and restart your computer, and after that, you should be good to go, all right? Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.